Good morning. I got some new patterns. So I want to cover each and everything a pattern form in the stock. Yesterday I told 32 videos I already covered in technical analysis where you can get 99% basic and advanced. Still I am covering more patterns. There are 7 8 more patterns which people are not aware. So stock market traders must be aware of new patterns, new techniques. So today I am going to tell you a new pattern which you rarely listen. That is saucer pattern. Saucer pattern. This pattern you can use in intraday as well as in swing trading. You can identify this pattern on 50-30 minute chart or daily chart. What is saucer? Let try to understand saucer. I will show you the picture of saucer. This is the picture of saucer. The stock is going downtrend, then it is forming shape. It is not a rounded bottom, it is different shape, and then it is going for breakout. You have to draw a trend line or support line, then you can go ahead with it. A saucer is a chart pattern we threw in the shape of U. A saucer U shape is generally very rounded with flat bottom. So you see it is a kind of U, and it is with very rounded bottom. The neckline of saucer pattern is determined by the high point preceding the U formation. Once is formed the U, then its high point neckline can be determined. A saucer pattern has no theoretical price objective. However, some authors make the height of U from the lowest point to neckline, then plot that's an objective above the neckline as with double bottom. This practice is not recommended because statistics shows us that this objective is only achieved by 36%. Please remember, the recommended theoretical price objective is to measure the depth of U and divide it by 2 and then plot that above the neckline. The saucer has long between consider as a reversal pattern. Once the neckline is broken, the results are very good. Saucer pattern is actually continuation pattern. Now you see the diagram of saucer pattern. Statics of saucer pattern. Let's go ahead with the statics. What are the statics of this pattern? In 62% of cases, the pattern indicate a bullish reversal. 86% of cases, price break the neckline upward. In 95% cases, the bullish movement continue after bullish break in the neckline. In 40% of cases, the price makes in pullback support on saucer pattern neckline. In 57% cases, the recommended price objective is achieved. Height is divided by 2. So these are the statics. You must take these statics also in your mind so you can plan the trade accordingly. Notes: I am providing you some notes on the saucer. With a saucer figure, the price often pauses when it returns back to neckline. The flatter the through, the more forceful the movement at the break of neckline. After existing the saucer pattern, pullback in support on the neckline make a bullish movement less forceful. If a large bullish peak occurs after the formation of saucer pattern, it is possible to draw a bearish line to connect a high point that provided the formation of saucer and the high point of bullish peak. The break in this bearish line provides first bullish signal. So this is what I told you, friends. So this is new pattern. You rarely, I don't, maybe 0.001% have listened this pattern. In stock market, you have to do to be a successful trader. Always you must update your knowledge, and you must know always new techniques, new patterns, so you can be always a winner. As know, we have a fight with algo trading and promoters. So if we predict patterns, then we can be always a profitable. In case you have not subscribed the video, please subscribe video, press the bell icon, forward to your friends who want to learn the stock market, or they want to make it as a career. So I will be helping you. This video is for your learning and education purpose. Thank you, friend. Thanks a lot.